Hey everyone, the big dog. Hanging out up in my warehouse today. It's a beautiful day out. I want to go over some videos. I got a lot to do, so. A couple weeks ago, I just did a previous video where I picked up some stuff from a buddy. And this was in it. I actually did a video a while back. I think I showed this in it too, but if not, I'm going to go over it now. But this is a Tyco G.I. Joe electric train with battle set with the battleground play mat. And this is probably 98% complete. The only thing it is missing are these two parachutes for G.I. Joe. And also one of the guys for Cobra. There's 24 guys for each. The Cobra guy, one guy is knocked off a stand. But both pieces are in the box. So the only thing that's really missing are parachutes. The Cobra ones are there. So first thing I want to look at is the box. The box itself has got great artwork. I mean, this is from, I think it was like 80s. See if I can find a date. Probably can't find it now. Don't give me a date. Morristown, New Jersey. So anyhow, bear with me. So the artwork is really incredible. They had someone put box tape on it, and I tried to take some of it off, but I don't want to take off too much because it really starts to mess with it. But so everything that comes with it is the electric train, the mat, 24 of each Cobra and G.I. Joe figures. The G.I. Joe figures, it's got a boat transport, helicopter, 2 tanks, a Jeep, and the 2 paratroopers. Cobra has the bridge, the Jeep, 2 tanks, and 2 paratroopers. So that's going to be it on the box. Turn around here to this now. So this here, it came with everything. It comes with all the instructions and all the how to set it up. Different guides. All the paperwork is here. Really cool. So this is the battle platform, or the grounds. This is over here. So you can see it a little better. Sorry for a little bit of glare, but this is really cool. You got I guess Cobra runs this bridge across the center here. You put people inside the bunkers, little holes where you can hide the people down in them. And I'm assuming it's G.I. Joe, so all these out here will probably be Cobra figures. Probably going try to take it over. So there's all the track. All the track is there. This is the train itself. Now this does work. Not perfect right now because I don't have it really together. But it does go forward. So it does kind of work forward and backwards. So don't want to mess with it too much. But there's all the cars, the caboose, the flatbed, the sand trailer, and the fuel trailer. Just nice. And like I said, here's the Jeep. They're just little plastic things, like little plastic army men. These here only have wheels on them on the bottom. They just sit mobily. This will be up for sale if anybody wants it. Little Huey. To make it such a distinct sound when they're out in the water and landing them on your boat. These are 24 different Army men, little Army men all over the place. There's bazooka guys in there, all kinds of stuff in there. And here's the 2 paratroopers. But like I said, they are missing the parachutes for them guys. Then you have the bridge, which is a 3-piece thing. Here you put that together. Over here in the Cobra side, you got the Army tank, another tank, Jeep. Like I said, there's 24 of each figures, Cobra and G.I. Joe. This one has 1 broken figure in it, but both pieces are in there, so you can fix it. Here's the paratroopers for Cobra, and also the parachutes for Cobra. Cobra Enemy. So I wanted to do a video on this because I think it's just a cool piece. So that's going to do it on this. I know the video's a little on the short side, but rate, subscribe, hit that like button. Tell your friends. If you're interested in this, hit me up. Maybe we'll work something out. Till the next one, Big Dog's out. Everybody be safe.